Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Polar Street X, and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. So let's get started. So first we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the back button right here to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen and look for the settings icon. And once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll down and look for the option called About Your Watch. And once you find it, tap on it, of course. And now scroll down and find the button called Reset Data. And once you find it, you can tap on it to continue. Before we start the resetting process, be aware though that if you reset your watch, it will remove all of your settings and data from the watch. And as well, I recommend to check the battery level on your watch, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So make sure that the battery is charged. Be aware that you're gonna lose your data and settings. And once you're done and you decide to reset the watch, press the middle button. It should confirm it, yeah. And now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. Okay, as you can see, we're done, and we have the list of languages on the screen, which means that the reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. And see you in the next one.